Hi everybody, welcome to Leaders 500, the Principled Leadership Seminar. I'm Dr. Tracy Sigler and I'm going to be working with you on this class during this 7-week session. I am the Department Head for Leadership Studies at the Citadel. This is a required course for all graduate students in all programs. It is pass-fail, meaning you complete the assignments, you pass, you don't complete the assignments, you don't. With a requirement for some training in the protection of minors. And so you'll have to complete that training and then upload a screenshot of your certificate of completion. So to introduce you to the course, if this is your first time at the Citadel, this is how the start pages look. So you've got some options of where you can go. You can take a look at the syllabus directly at this link. And then the modules for the work that you're doing start here. So you start here. So basically you click and you read through the information. So this is a little bit about me, my background. And then click next. And that's how everything works. So protection of minors, this is not open yet, but will be once I send you the information. So we've got a welcome to the Principled Leadership Seminar. This is actually summer. So again, telling you about completing. So Module 1, that's where we're starting out this week, is an overview, an introduction to principled leadership. So this content was created by one of our alumni who's actually graduated from here and is now a leadership practitioner, consultant, facilitator. So the leadership community, we've got characteristics of principled leaders, and then we've got our 3 values: honor, duty, and respect. And so that's the framework that you will use throughout this course. For each one of the modules, you'll have 1 written assignment and 1 discussion board that you will complete. And so just the content that you will be writing about will vary. Here's a little bit of information from our alum about principled leadership, and then a summary page of what your assignments are going to be for this module. So there's that video again on principled leadership. So each one of the modules is going to have a suggested due date to try to keep you on track and to spread the work out over the 7 weeks. You do not have to meet those deadlines. You do not get penalized if you don't meet those deadlines. I will check after 2 weeks to see if you're intending to stay in the class if you haven't submitted any assignments yet. But otherwise, you have until the end of the 7 weeks. So Module 1, Assignment 1, Examples of Principled Leadership. So this is a graded discussion. What is principled leadership? Here's the assignment. So 3 examples offer a chance to reflect on challenges of principled leadership. So take a look, then reflect on an example of principled leadership by choosing one of them. Read their story and then answer the questions. So basically for the discussion boards, you post your own response and then you respond to 2 other posts. Okay, so here's your initial response. Why did you choose one of the 3 and what did you learn? So what you'll do is you'll come down here to reply and then you will post your response. The student's already in. And then you go in and once you, see, we've got some people doing it already. So you reply to that response, and that's how you get going through the discussion boards. Module 1, Assignment 2, is to come up with your personal definition of principled leadership. So for these written assignments, a couple of sentences, a paragraph is good. And then you've got the grading rubric. And I think that's it for the first module. So that was week 1. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working